know what, sure, challenging yourself is quite intriguing and it comes with a prize. Oh, yeah, okay. Hi everyone, welcome home back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also to click the bell icon down below so that you'll be notified each time I upload a brand new video. So in today's video, guys, I will be challenging myself to do a glittery eye. I don't know what we're gonna do. Jesus, take the wheel. So in today's video, I'll just be sitting down here challenging myself to do a glittery eye. I pray to God or the gods of makeup that I'll achieve something very nice and classy. Let me put it this way. So guys, without further ado, let me quickly go and do my eyebrows off camera. Then we'll come and do the eye on camera. Then we'll see what we're gonna achieve. So guys, buckle up and chill. Anyways, roll intro. And now it's time for I prep my eyelids. As I always tell you guys, I prep my eyelids off camera and I do my eyebrows off camera whenever the tutorial requires me to do eyes. As far as eyes and lips are concerned, I do not do eyebrows, neither do I do my whole face makeup like highlighting and contouring and everything on camera. I just focus on the eyes. So today, guys, I'm challenging myself to do a glittery look. I have never challenged myself to do a glittery look on camera. Sometimes I just sit, chill, and do whatever I feel like I want to do with makeup. But now I need to get out of my comfort zone and do glittery eye look. So guys, as you can see, there's an unwanted guest on my face. This one, it was a pimple that I popped. Now it looks like a wound. But anyways, that doesn't stop us from doing whatever we feel like we want to do. Because girl, we are still gonna do it. Anyways, moving to the eyes. So I'm feeling like I want to do like a nude eye, like a brown bronzy eye with a silver metallic glitter. Yeah, yes. So I'll start by packing the product here. This same way I did with here as well. So guys, whenever I'm doing something like I'm being creative with these looks, I tend to have quite a lot of palettes with me, eyeshadow palettes, because I feel like there are some colors that I want which I can't find in a single palette eyeshadow. So I just grab quite a lot of palettes that I have just to play around with them to achieve a look or a certain look that I feel like I want to. So now I'm doing this just smudge them and close the edges. So guys, with my looks, I always tell myself that it looks messy until it's done. Girl, that's when you see the final result. And the final result is very satisfying. So we're gonna do what we're gonna do. You know. So as you can see, the brown is on the eye. We're not doing too much on the eye. We're not going ham with the bronzy color, because where we want to focus on is the bright color. We're going to like the shimmer. So let me look for the palette which I will be using to put here as a shimmer. Oh, I think I found one. So I'm going to use this palette right here with me. I'll get me some packing brush right here. I spray just a little bit of setting spray just to wet the brush. Then we pack this metallic silver here. I pack it on the brush. Then do start to pack on the lid. Ooh, girl. She bright. She very bright. So guys, these are the reasons. This is one of the reasons why I do not put my foundation and everything here before I put my what do you call it, my eyeshadow, because sometimes these eyeshadows, they tend to have fallouts, so those fallouts will oxidize with my foundation and everything. It won't be looking nice. It will look messy, and that's what we do not want to see here right now. So first off, focus on the eye, then later on you can do the skin. So guys, the problem with me is I am not creative in such a way that I do quite a lot of very artistic, or rather gothic looks, like those artistic looks, for example, like James Charles's kind of artistic looks. Those are extreme artistic looks that require someone with an artistic talent. For me, I do not have such talent, and I acknowledge what I have in terms of talent. I know that I can do like a simple everyday look, or a simple colorful everyday look, but I can't do, what do you call it, like those very artistic kind of looks, if you get what I mean. So I stay within my lane when it comes to these. So I have told myself that sometimes it's not all about sitting within your comfort zone. You just need to get out of that comfort zone and do some certain stuff that you don't usually do. So today I was like, okay, this is one of the days I'm feeling like I need to sit down here and challenge myself and do something like a glittery eye that I don't usually do on an everyday basis whenever I'm sitting down and doing my makeup. So this is it guys. So this is the best. This is the smooth glitter. We need to put the chunky glitter, guys. So I don't know where I had put my glitter primer. So we're gonna use what we have. Like, I do not know, in some of my makeup bags there are plenty of stuff around here, so I just don't know where I placed it. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna pack this glitter. Right here I have this glitter palette from, I just don't know the brand, but I got this glitter quite a long time ago, so I'm just going to pick this glitter on my eye. giving. It's giving bridal. It's giving bridal. Like it's giving bridal. Like, you know, it's giving, y'all. It's giving. Ooh. Okay. It's giving. So now it's time for me. Now I've picked the glitter. So now it's time for me to do like a half wing. Usually I do like a pulled out wing. Today I'm just gonna do like a half wing that complements with the look. We don't do anything dramatic up in here today because we are going to put a red lip, a brightness red lip. So we don't want too much drama on the eyes. We just want the drama on both the eyes and the lips, if you get what I mean. So I'm gonna line. So yo guys, as you can see, the eyes are not yet pretty done. Don't mind my accents and times. I am very Shona from Zimbabwe. I am from the Shona tribe. Sometimes my English tends to fight with my mother language. So know when your tongue is used to speaking your language. And I'm very proud of my language and my roots. I'm very proud. So y'all don't be coming for me saying you are speaking the English which is not proper. Okay, fine guys. So I'll just do the rest of the eyeliner trick with with a flat brush and matte eyeshadow, which is the matte black eyeshadow. Because the problem that I'm noticing it right now is I had put glitter, like the chunky glitter, before I lined my eyes, so it tends to not come nice. That's what I'm discovering right here. So I'll just work with what is left of me here to do. So I'll grab this brush right here, this brown brush here, and I'll start to pick this brown that we used in the beginning here, just start to pick it here. So as you can see, the black weight is ending, it's not giving. So then I grab this flat pencil brush right here, then dip into this black color right here. Then I go in where this color is ending, right? And then start to pick that color, that black eyeshadow color right there. Then start to blend it in circular motions so that it blends well and nice. So now guys, as you can see, like what I told you, I think now you can see what I was saying, that why I do not put my foundation and everything in every skincare product right before I do my eyes. Now I think now you can notice, so as you can see, there's plenty of fallouts that we don't need on our face. So the beauty of doing your eyes before the skin is that you just wipe it off and start on a cleaner base. That's much easier to work. Okay, the eyes are icing and pretty much done. We are not yet done. So this is the outline and everything. So guys, I'll do the other stuff like putting on eyelashes and doing the bottom eye look when I'm done with my face. So I'll quickly go and do the rest of the face off camera, and I'll be right back with the finished product. Back, done and dusted. This is the rest of the face, guys. As you can see, I had what do you call it? I applied my eyelashes off camera, and this is the finished product for the eyes, guys. And this is the lip I then chose to do like a glossy red lip, just to complement the look, just to look right, you know. So guys, this is the rest of the face. So if you guys want to see more of challenges, I'll be bringing up challenges. Some of them might work and some of them might fail, but what's the purpose of a challenge is to challenge yourself to do it. Whether it fails or it comes out nice, just challenge yourself regardless. So guys, I'll be challenging myself more on this channel, and also I'll be bringing more of the celebrity recreational makeup. Guys, I'm so sorry for being a bit backward and slowing down in terms of recording. I'm just overwhelmed with work and all that, guys, but I know what, you know what, I'll be back very soon with quite a lot of videos. I'll be posting quite a lot of videos on this channel weekly, like 2 times a week, like what I used to do from the beginning of channel. So guys, this is the rest of the face that I finished, guys. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. But before then, guys, don't forget to give thumbs up to the channel, and also to like and share, which helps the channel quite a lot, and also to subscribe and to click that bell icon down below so that you'll be notified each time there's a brand new video, guys. So without further ado, guys, I am leaving and loving you guys. It didn't feel do, but without talking too much, guys. I'm loving and leaving you guys, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.